Hello, this is a video review for James Taylor from Write Your Own Story. I was part of James' group hypnotherapy sessions, and we started back in December for 10 sessions. Now, I came to James because I was seeking clarity really on my business. I had a couple of business ideas that I have been working with, and I was just struggling really with knowing which direction to go. So I decided that that's what I wanted to focus on. Now, I have to say that I really enjoyed the sessions. It was a time for me just to focus on me and get away from the busyness of my business and life in general. I always look forward to the sessions, and I could listen to James forever. He just has such a calming influence and voice. The methodologies that he uses I just so really enjoyed, and I don't want to go into them too much because I'll be giving away all his secrets, but one I will share with you. It was a visualization of when we approach a castle and go into a room of our choosing. I just found that so powerful, and we wanted to look around the room and find something that resonated with us to take away. And that for me was really powerful. But as we came towards the end of the session, my clarity grew and grew, and I actually had a complete U-turn, because another visualization, and I know I said I wouldn't give away all the secrets, helped me to see a clearer path. So I am now much clearer on where I want to go, thanks to James. And I'm really looking forward to the future. So I can't recommend James high enough. It was just a lovely, safe environment, and it did really work for me in my purpose and my goal and where I want to go. So sign up, ladies, to James' course. You won't regret it, you'll really enjoy it, and you will certainly grow and develop through his sessions. Okay, take care everybody, bye bye.